today I have for you a very unique idea to find print-on-demand niches, so we're gonna use Keyword Planner for this. You probably watched my video when I used the hobbies and the professions for this niche research method. Like for example, we search in Keyword Planner gardening shirt, just like this, so we can get sub-niches about gardening, like I'll be in my office, garden shirt, 10 to 100 searches per month. You can see the t-shirts that shows up when a customer search for it. Let's see this next, life is good, gardening shirt. Again, different print-on-demand websites with that shirt. But the idea is, why instead of only searching hobbies and jobs like gardening here, we do search any actual word. I will use this website called the Random Word Generator. It obviously gives you random words, so let's take any word like swing and replace it with gardening, then get results. And basically you get what people are searching using the words swing and shirt. For example, let's check out this niche, swing, swear, look for ball, repeat. Here I will search it on Amazon, and by the way, the niches we get with Keyword Planner are the best for some other print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, TeePublic, or anything that actually rely on organic traffic that comes from Google. Alright, perfect, only 700 results, and for the sales there is different t-shirts that are selling, and you may notice lately that the BSR got way higher. It's because Amazon removed the other category, the climate badge one. Now every t-shirt is on the clothing category, which means a 10,000 BSR could now be something like 100,000. Just look at these shirts, they all sold more than 100 times last month and their BSR is above 100,000. So this gives you an idea that even a 1 million BSR now is selling like once every 3 days or so. For example, this design of mine sold 7 times this week and have 700,000 BSR. It's an evergreen niche, so that's so good. And by this you know that even a 1 million BSR is making around 2 to 3 sales per week, which is around 10 sales per month. If the niche you find have only 10 selling designs with 1 million BSR, that niche is making 100 sales per month, which is really good for an evergreen niche. I hope I did good explaining this idea. So a lot of designs are selling in the first page. That's definitely great for only 700 results. And you can see in Keyword Planner 10 to 100 customers search to buy this shirt every single month. And before I continue, I do send you 10 niches every single Monday for free, by the way. You will find the link in the description to join the newsletter. Now let's see if we can find another niche idea with the keyword swing. Alright, I don't think so. These other ones are obviously copyrighted. So what we do is go take another word. Okay, let's copy speech next and replace it again, then get results. Alright, let's see the results. Everyone deserves a voice. This seems like a promising niche. Let's search it on Amazon. Okay, almost 1400 results. Now we gotta take a look at the sales. If the sales are low, we're not entering this niche. Okay, indeed the sales are pretty low in the big millions. If multiple shirts here had a BSR of less than 1 million, I would definitely make a couple designs in the niche. Anyway, move on to something else. This off-white figures of speech. I'm gonna Google it first because I have no idea what this is about. Okay, I guess it's kind of a brand. You will of course come across a lot of copyrighted stuff, so be careful. Always check if the niche is safe first. Let's next check speech therapy Christmas shirt. So the customer here is not looking for a literal t-shirt design with the saying speech therapy Christmas. He's looking for something like this, one Merry Speech Therapy, or other niches, just like when a customer looks for a fishing shirt. He's not looking to buy a design with only fishing in it. Anyway, that's a Christmas niche idea. You can definitely see this minus 100% in the search volume, so when a Christmas gets closer, this design could have around 1000 in the search volume. Okay, this is the end for the speech word. There's only 45 keywords. Let's now take another word. You can just keep clicking generate random words to refresh and get new ones. So here, let's copy a point and replace it here. Alright, this is looking like a dead word, pretty much only generic keywords. Let's copy now effect, and okay, 0 results. You will come across results like this, sometimes it's very normal. Now let's copy late and replace it here and get results. And I know this niche, sorry I'm late, I didn't want to come. I guess it's have a lot of results, but let's check its sales anyways. Yeah, 6000 results. The sales are very good, but if you're just starting out print on demand, I want you to go with the low to medium competition niches first to easily make your first sales. This is also another niche I know, sorry I'm late, I saw a dog, but the search volume is actually crazy, up to 1000 searches every single month. Okay, there is 2700 results. I consider it medium competition, but imagine 1000 searches per month for 2700 results is a crazy number. And we're not even adding the searches that are coming directly from Amazon itself. I'm here talking about the customers who are looking for this niche from the search bar, but let's only consider it's 1000 searches, and it's still a lot. And these shirts are selling daily. The BSRs are under the million, which is very good. I would consider uploading 3 to 5 designs here. Let's now check always late but worth the wait. Alright, 1000 results, medium competition, and the sales are decent in the millions, and the reviews are quite a lot here, which gives you the impression of a good evergreen niche. But I know you're looking for niches less than 1000 results, and I'm gonna keep going until I show you that you could find those with this method as well. Even though if you remember I found one earlier in the video, swing, swear, look for ball repeat, that had 700 results. But let's look for another one to show you how actually simple it is. Let's see this, probably late for something. Okay, 5000 results. Take a look at the reviews here. 1000 reviews for this one. Here is 100, and this sweatshirt is 200 reviews. That is crazy. Okay, let's take another word like commission. Alright, it seems like a dead word. Let's take another word, maybe share. And for the results, Joey doesn't share food. This is copyrighted from the show Friends. Next is share your spare kidney. That is kind of an interesting niche. Okay, the BSRs are very good, and we don't have the exact niche on the designs, but they are quite similar. And the niche here is about awareness kidney donors. I never actually designed for any organ donors niche. I would personally avoid it because I don't know much about it. I'm just gonna look for another niche. I guess, yeah, that's pretty much it for the word share. Let's take another word like live and replace it again, get results. Okay, maybe we copy this, I still live with my parents. And take a look at the suggestions. When you see different shirt variations like t-shirt, shirt or t-shirt, you know you have a good niche on your hand. And just look at the competition now, 800 results. I guess we just did hit a jackpot in this one. The reviews are great, the BSRs in the millions, but you know they are making very consistent sales. Also look at this, 300,000 BSR, 400,000 BSR. There is no copyright and no trademark. And look here, they tried to trademark it, but it didn't work for them. I mean, it's a very common phrase, you can't just trademark it. Anyway, I'm gonna go design and upload for this niche, and don't forget you can receive an extra 10 low competition niches every week on Monday just by joining my newsletter, link in description.